So we go back. We're going to move along our little taupe road here to our last little area. We're going to ignore our teleporter for right now, even though you guys have every urge to go click and see where you can teleport, okay? The material reducer. So matter is made up of elements, and this reducer is going to take those pieces and break it down into those components, take that component and break it down into their elements by percentage, okay? Now, it says give it a try with the provided materials. So you've got materials in a chest. One thing to keep in mind is that there are some blocks in Minecraft that are made up of components that don't exist on Earth yet, that have not been discovered. For example, soul sand, okay, or netherrack. They're two components that have elements or pieces to them that have not been discoverable on Earth. And so you will see a question mark square as far as that material, okay? So let's take a look at what we have in our chest. Go ahead and open your chest. Now, what you may need to do is move some of your inventory out of your hotbar so that you can make room for other things. So I'm going to move the hydrogen up to the top part of my inventory here and out of my hotbar. Okay? I'm going to move my ice bomb to the last square. Now, what we have in our chest, we have lava. We have a water bucket. We have grass. I want you guys to pull the grass down into your hotbar. And let's take quartz. Oh, and there's an oak log. Let's take that. And let's do some soul sand. I'm a beach kind of girl. I like that sand. Okay? All right. And now we can close our chest. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use that material reducer. So all we really need to do is we're going to take this grass block and we're going to drop one up in this material reducer. And you will now see that that grass is made up of carbon, oxygen, more oxygen, because we can only hold 64 in one square, right? Okay? Nitrogen and phosphorus. Now your students know legitimately what grass is composed of. Kind of cool, right? We're talking earth and environmental science now. Biology, okay? Not just chemistry. It's chemistry, but it's both. Okay? Let's try a different item. Let's try a block of quartz. We see that we have silicon, we have oxygen, and more oxygen. Silicon and oxygen is quartz. Now, what is quartz?
It's a mineral.
It's a mineral. Minerals make up rocks. So now kids can go out and take a look at a rock and go, hey, is there quartz in this? If there's quartz in this, I know that there's silicon and there's oxygen in it.
Or you could just show them the mineral quartz.
You could. Yep. So you can actually stack this and build on these pieces. Okay? Let's take a look at that oak tree outside. Okay? That oak tree. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. And our soul sand. Now you're going to see, we've got silicon, oxygen, and 3 things that don't exist on Earth or have not been discovered on Earth yet. Okay? So that's kind of fun. And that is our material reducer.